we're angling out with kicks. Instead of just here and trying to kick, I get an advantageous angle here.
Then he kick.
So first off, all right, I'm going to show how we actually angle. From my right-handed stance, here, stepping out, weight on this foot, over to my round kick, okay? Angle here, kick.
Yeah, see, now that right there, I didn't see it coming. Because I was so busy concentrating on blocking the kick, I never blocked this jab coming overhand.
That's the thing with angles, it's putting me in an advantage for not just kicks, but punches.
Right.
So, angling this way. Look at the angle here. Look at the angle.
Okay, I'm going to go down, but I'm going to try to respond.
And I'm
in
out.
order to respond, I'm open.
Yep. Angling off my front, pivoting. Okay? Pivoting. But truth be told, I want to try to angle off of his front arm. Now here, this still
Bam.
isn't that edge.
You're out of it.
I'm okay here, but really I want to be here.
Your success depends on you not keeping your center line in balance with mine.
Yes.
So the center line, as far as your defense system, is how imperative as far as training the average practitioner. Because that's what I see you are adjusting effectively.
Yes.
Your center line is never where mine is, therefore it places me on the defensive.
And keep in mind, I can throw it off my front as well. I'm only throwing one technique. I can actually catch their groin from here, okay? When we're here,
Well, listen, wait a minute though.
I'm not going to hit you in the groin.
I don't want you to hit me in the
Yeah, I'm not
groin
gonna hit you
because
in the
I'm
groin.
probably going to shoot you in the foot.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to hit you in the groin. So we're here, and he's jabbing, okay, out. See how I can get it there? I could reach around. So I don't just have to...
And even if I raise my leg up, it's a higher possibility he's going to kick me in the nuts.
Yeah, definitely.
Because if I raise my leg up, it gets you a beat on.
Right, absolutely. So
Okay.
you're here, I'm here, either here
Right,
or here,
right.
or here.
So which one do you think works best for you? And I'm going to do it. Show
Yeah.
me which one you think would basically be
Probably the
the
fastest,
most positive.
probably the fastest we're going to go Bruce Lee style is when he's
Okay.
coming forward.
Right here.
Right off to his
that,
knee.
So that would bring me in.
Yep. I'm here again.
Okay,
one
so
more time.
now I come in. Once you do that, I come in. After you do that, that leaves me open up for what's your next move. Because I'm laying up, okay, then, okay, I get it.
Yeah, but I'm in a safe angle, okay, so I can think about my next counterattack
Right.
or react accordingly.
Right.
So one more time here, here. See that? Here,
And,
here. No different. I'm angling here. Okay? I'm going to show a real fast capoeira technique that I learned that's a little tricky here. I'm here.
right here.
Yep.
I go like this.
Here. I'm angling out. This is a capoeira
Right,
technique.
but you're
I'm
blocking.
stepping here. So angling. Okay.
Right,
Stepping back.
right.
Out.
You're out because I can't reach
Yeah.
you. So,
We're out. Angle. Out.
so watch this. I throw the jab.
Yeah.
That's the jab. He steps to the side.
Angling. Okay. We're taking it even more extreme. We're stepping here. Out.
He's stepping out, so he's out of my range
Yep.
of being able to defend, and he's kicking me in the kidneys.
We're here.
So when you're doing it, I don't want you to explain it. I just want you to do it.
Yeah.
Because you don't have time to think about
Right.
it. It's a reflex.
Yep.
So there, see what I mean?
Yeah.
You see how he just
Yeah.
rolled around?
Yeah, and I don't have to do this. This is just another option for you guys because generally when he's here, I'm just going to angle out. Yeah? Okay? See? Same thing. I'm here. Angling out.
I go like this, slow. He goes like this. You see his hand. It would be advantageous for him to throw me
Yes.
up. Anytime you touch somebody, you throw them off their equilibrium, whether he's cracking their head open with
Yeah.
a brick or an axe.
Mm-hmm.
So I go like this. Just by you going there has thrown off my equilibrium because of the contact. So now I felt that, but it got my attention. So when he goes to my leg, it makes it more of a
Yeah.
heightened possibility he's going to
Yeah.
be successful.
One more time. Don's going to jab at me. Angling out.
See that? You see his hand?
Yeah.
But it's a
I'm going to do that more extreme. Thank you for pointing that out. I'm here. Okay? But I'm
See, now when he just did that, he just threw off my next move because he contacted it, which actually means he added his energy to it, which means I have to adapt. And if I'm not very disciplined, I'm not going to basically be able to adapt and I'm going to be open.